Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful looking pattern. You can use this pattern as a baby's blanket, or you can also use this pattern as a giant sweater and ladies sweater. See, this is the look of this pattern. It has this beautiful pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern, and I have done 3 repeats here. This is 1 repeat, 2 repeat and 3 repeat. This is 10 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 13, 13, 13, 13, 13 and plus 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 28 stitches on my needle, which is 13 plus 13. I have 2 repeats, which is 13 plus 13, 26 and 2 edge stitch 28. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, purl 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. This is the repeat pattern, which is this pattern here. See, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2. Right, this is one repeat. We have done this much. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, purl 2, and knit 2, purl 2. We have done 2 repeats, and your last edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 and every wrong side rows you will purl all stitches. Edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side and purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, row 3 right side, knit edge row 1, edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 5 right side, knit edge row 1, edge stitch slip, knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 7, knit edge row 1, one more time. This is the last time. Your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, and these 2 and these 2, these 4. We're going to twist these 2 to the left way, right? So bring this 2 here from the back side, and twist this 2 to the left way, and from this 4 stitch knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, knit 1 and twist 4 to the right way. Bring this 2 here from the front side. And from these 4 stitch knit 4, 2, 3 and 4, and then purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, twist 4 to the left way, knit 1, twist 4 to the right way, and then purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, twist 4 to the left way, knit this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, twist 4 to the right way, and from these 4 stitch knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then purl 2. Edge stitch knit. Last row, row 10, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 10 rows, row 1 to row 10 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.